QuickBooks Online Plus contains many standard reports you can run with a single click. To see the standard reports in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Reports button in the navigation bar, and then click the Standard Reports link, or click the Standard Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar if that bar already appears on screen. Either way, the Standard Reports page then appears to the right. The Standard Reports page contains links to all the standard reports in QuickBooks Online. You can scroll up and down the page to view the standard reports, which are grouped into collapsible and expandable report categories. To expand or collapse a report category, click its name. To run a report within a report category, click its name. To see a brief report description, instead hover over the name of the report until you see a question mark icon appear. Then click the question mark icon to show a description below the report name. To add a report into or remove a report from the Favorites report category, which appears at the top of the report categories in the Standard Reports page, click the star icon to the right of the desired report's name to toggle its favorite status on or off. To open a report and immediately customize it, click its triple dot icon, and then select the Customize command in the menu that appears. To find a report by name, start typing its name into the Type Report Name Here search field at the top of the page to show a drop-down list of matching report titles. Then click the desired report name in this drop-down list to immediately open it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.